My style is ridiculous. What is love?
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
Я из Африки приехал, чтобы пить закамский квас. Тут смотри, разносит эхо кваса, камский высший класс. Ай, этот квас родной, он любимый и живой, освежает и бодрит. Квас закамский — это хит.
Nope.
Mobileshooter sous la nuit, il donne ses effets là. Des abou da so, yeah, too slow. Mobileshooter sous la nuit, il donne ses effets là.
Раз, два, три.
God is good, God is great, God is good. Reality! And chicken, oh God!
¿Dónde está el Titan Speaker, man?
han desinfectado.
No eres digno de ser nuestro.
Hi guys, and in this video, we'll be playing Indies World, the most fun Roblox game ever. What are you doing here? You interrupted my video. No, I didn't. I'm just promoting a fun game for family and friends. What's your name? My name is Dandy. I'm such a silly mealy. You got something behind your ear. What is it? Guys, look! It's a tiny dragon dude! Wow, so cool! Now get out of my video! No! Not until you promote Dandy's World! Leave me alone now! Or I'm gonna eat you for dinner! Like and subscribe or else! Oh. ¡Don Cangrejo, cuánto tiempo!
Design a 0.point.
Put on these glasses, you'll enter the world of the game. Put on these glasses, you'll enter the world of the game.
Gomen, あまない。俺は今、お前のために怒ってない。誰も憎んじゃいない。今はただただ。
Estamos avisos, todos los pases que le he hecho ahí, que Muchas gracias.
Whoops!
Oh, hey, excuse me, fella?
Yeah? What do you want, shrimp?
Oh, just a few moments of your time. Hang on. Let me just get this little guy assembled. So, where are you from?
Noob report? What's it to you?
Oh, I'm just always interested in where people are from. Everybody's got a story, that's what I believe. All right, I think we're all set here.
¿Quieres tener al bebetón en tu celular? Attention! Sir!
Sir!
You will answer me only by sir, yes, sir, motherfucker! You understand me? Sir, yes, sir! Roll call, what is your name? My name is Lotus! And what is your name? My name is Scandivop. What? You stuttering motherfucker!
Okay, what did you Oh, YOLO. Oh, why are you smiling? Oh! That's so close. Wait. Oh, I thought he was supposed to... Oh, she's
Alright, bro. Welcome to my school, bro. Are you, the substitute teacher or something? Because, our other teacher wears a hat and a mask. Yep, I'm the new teacher, bruh. Get used to it. Oh, okay. Where's Dragon then? We miss him. Well, I'm glad that I'm out of his clutch for once. Alright, bro. We're going to be doing some cool mathematics. Woo, more math. So glad. Alright, bro. First question. Then this one's a pretty rad easy one. What is 5 plus 20? It's 25, obviously. Congrats, bro. You got it correct. Congratulations. Okay. Now what? Now you can leave the classroom, bro. Oh, okay, thanks. Alright, class. Today, we're gonna do an exam. Wow, an exam? I can't believe we finally made it to this part of school. That's so amazing. Yep. And there's multiple more exams, so you're gonna have to take it all on a weekend. Okay. Anyways, the exam will not be on paper. I will ask you all questions. Question 1. What's 10 plus 10? It's equal to 20. Correct. Now, what's 12 divided by 3? Oh man, that's so easy. It's obviously 3. Congratulations. Huh? Wait, no.